Hi guys, welcome back to the Financial Couple.
This time we just decided to ask people how much they spend on coffee. So we're just going to go over a few questions. Hey man, what's your name?
Gabriel.
Adrian.
Josh.
Alicia.
My name is Chris.
Lindsay.
Daniel.
How many times do you go to the coffee shop per week?
Multiple times, probably 3 to 5.
I'd say about 4 times a week.
Probably at least 3 to 4 times a week.
3.
I'll probably go like once a month maybe.
Like once or twice.
Once every 2 weeks, probably somewhere around there.
On average, how much do you spend each time you go?
If I'm being nice and I'm paying for someone else, probably like 14 maybe.
Probably $2 to $5.
$2 to $5?
About $5 to $6.
Like $4.
$3 to $5. Easily $10.
$10?
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's my mom's Starbucks card.
How do you feel about millennials spending around $2,000 per year on coffee?
I feel like if you're going to drink that much coffee, you should at least go a little bit cheaper of a way.
$2,000 a year on coffee?
Yeah.
Like one person?
One person, $2,000.
You could buy a whole lot with $2,000 and a whole lot more than just coffee once every day if you wanted. Yeah.
I feel like they could use a lot of that money to maybe put a down payment on a house or a car.
I think it's really excessive. That seems like going every day.
That's insane. Yeah.
I think that's ridiculous. I mean, like I like to come here once in a while,
Yeah.
but I make hot coffee at home.
Well, me personally, I think it's a good investment only because it gives me a lot of energy.
I actually used to work at Starbucks, and people would come in 4 times a day, and I would just be like, "Are you guys serious?" So I think that's ridiculous. I personally wouldn't come that much.
Yeah, absolutely. You're only spending $48 per year on coffee, which is amazing. You're like the best one so far. $520.
So you spend $780 per year?
So $780. So $780. So that's actually a good thing, man. In total, you'll be spending $336. So you actually spend $2,080 per year. Wow. What else would you do with this money? Someone all of a sudden gave you $2,000.
I really don't know. Probably shopping, I guess. I don't really shop, but I don't know.
With that extra money, I'd buy new wardrobe.
I'd probably just save it. I like to save my money.
And that's the answer that we're looking for, actually.
I'd probably save it to buy a new car or use it to go to school.
Yeah, I would definitely have paid off my car by now, so.
Yeah, you're the second one that says a car, because we've gotten that, and then someone said that they would buy clothes.
Clothes? So, yeah, clothes would be another good one.
Man, I would fix up my car.
Someone gave me $2,000 right now. You could buy. That's like a pay for rent, stuff like that for a whole year almost.
Hey, that's a new one. We haven't gotten rent. We only get rent. We get cars. We get more.
Like, I'll buy new rims on my. No.
So actually, we've been looking online, and doing your coffee at home, it's only $150. Would you be willing to change your coffee habits to save more money, or you still believe that it's a good idea to just go to your local coffee shop?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
I think they're pretty good right now.
Okay.
Yeah, I'd probably tone it down, but not like, drink coffee at home all the time, but maybe tone it down a bit.
36.
Might as well. Yeah. No need to not save money, you know?
Yeah,
save money's important.
I would be willing to change my habits.
You don't want to change your habits? Okay.
Yeah.
I think it's a good amount. I like to go out.
If I had someone make it for me.
Thank you so much, man. We appreciate it. We're the Financial Couple. See you guys on the next video.
David, what did you do? Dropped your coffee. Oh my lord.
All right, we're out. See you guys in the next video.